What's going on? I got the car pulled in the shop. Don't mind, I'm all messed up because I'm still at work, but I got someone coming in to roll my front fenders because I'm getting a little bit of tire rub on it. And that, yeah, he should be here pretty shortly, so let's get on it. Also, I just flipped this car around. I'm gonna push that up a little bit more space for some work to get done. So yeah. What's going on? Nice to see you, dude.
Taxi.
The rears are good because I'm not poking at all, but fronts are a little tight.
And this is a long wheelbase?
This is long wheelbase.
That's sick.
Yeah, the rear doors, I think they stretch them out like 6 inches longer.
Yeah, I can tell. I never noticed that.
And there's so much space in the back. You could slouch as much as you want to where you can't see over the window and your knees still won't touch the partition.
Cool. Should I roll it right here?
Yeah, I can clear. I'll move this stuff.
Yeah, that's fine.
And yeah, there should be enough space there next to that Jetta. A little dusty.
Yeah, rocks get stuck in that TV. Hey, I'm Beau from Ontario Fender Roll. We're here to roll Cody's fenders on his taxi cab. Must be single stage paint?
Yep.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, I was blowing a lot of yellow paint off my pad when I was doing this. Oh God. I think you can still see some of it on the sidewalk because I'd go out and makes you get a good workout.
Yeah, especially on this car.
They don't make them like they used to. You've been doing this for a while. You got the breathing down.
12 years, yeah.
A man of focus.
Yes. Precision. Here they go in my car. There it is. Pull up. Alright.
Okay. Just watch your leg there.
Does the seat recline?
Nope.
Okay.
That's all we got.
Right on.
I know. I drive it every day, like back straight up. It's horrific. This may see going. All right,
Let's see if you can get her to rub. Rob, damn you, Rob.
I know it's not gonna run. We're good. Just figured I'd give you a quick little run up the street.
Well, if it does, call me back. I'll hold him a bit more for you.
Oh yeah. Which is good.
Cool. Welding, huh? I think the squeak is just from factory.
Yeah, they're all done like that. And for free.
I was just thinking gas.
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
Like city, I get 380 a tank, 65 liters.
Yeah.
On the highways where it shines because the gearing's so long.
Yes.
Minty.
Look at ride's nice.
This is
Cadillac.
The front end has, so they don't really make lowering springs for these cars.
Yeah.
At least like not Canada side.
Yeah.
So it's mismatched. Like the front Moog springs are out of something, the rears are out of something else. It's like it's what somebody figured out.
Like a kit, yeah.
Yeah, and then you just kind of cut this one coil off the front.
Oh, okay, not
and
bad.
It's like this.
Yeah. Not bad. I guess the newer ones are a bit more like legit.
Why, you've only seen the older Crown Vics?
Well, there were some beat ones when I went to New York City. I went as a kid, and I remember just all convex. Now it's Ford Escapes and vans like Siennas, and none of these anymore. I forget what other car, Camrys, I think.
Yeah.
Some Accords.
Anything they can get their hands on, really.
So it's a lot better. The Ford Escapes kind of shit, but like I remember these back in the day as a kid. It's like the whole thing squeaking and rattling and banging apart, and it just smelled like old guys' sweat, and like that's what it was. But it like adds to like the cinema of New York City. Yeah.
So this is Beau from Ontario Fender Roll. He did a killer job rolling the fenders on this thing, so no worries about rubbing now. Thank you for stopping by, dude, and I'm gonna put out the word.
Yeah, you're welcome. Code anytime. Cool car.
Sick, man. See you around.
See ya.
So that's it for this episode. Just one more thing checked off of a very long list. It's always the little stuff, but thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.